Every masterpiece begins with the rarest elements of nature. Precision is the bridge between raw earth and luxury. Every surface must reflect the quality of what lies within. The presentation is as vital as the formulation itself.
Scalable luxury, where technology meets the touch of a master.
Every fold must be as precise as the formula itself. The presentation must reflect the rarity of the ingredients.
Every artifact is a masterpiece of science and art.
A testament to the journey from earth to elegance. Complete. The standard of excellence is met. Presentation is the final bridge between science and the soul.
A seal of excellence, forged in the fires of precision. Every detail is a testament to the rarity of the pigment within.
From the lab to the world, the journey is complete.
A masterpiece in every box, bound for the most discerning eyes.
Every artifact is tagged for its journey across the globe. Automated precision ensures every shipment is flawlessly documented. From the lab to the world, the scale of beauty is immense. The treasure arrives at its final destination.
Delivery confirmed. Proceed with the final display setup.
The journey from raw mineral to refined artifact is now complete. Every detail is curated to match the brilliance within.
The rare pigment finds its final, golden home.
A masterpiece of science and art, ready for its reveal.
The world is waiting for the glow of rare pigments. Every single piece is a testament to our precision engineering. The rare pigment seal ensures the purity of the crystalline core. Deep. Science and nature converge in a single, shimmering stroke.
The archive holds the secrets of every shade ever discovered.
The final touch, a perfect transfer of rare, shimmering pigment.
From the laboratory to the hands of the connoisseur.
A masterpiece of science and style, ready to be worn. Forged from Earth's rarest treasures through precision and passion. Rare pigments. The art of the impossible, perfected.
Every shade begins as a dream of light and earth.
Deepening into the signature crimson that defines our legacy.
But the journey of this artifact began far from the studio.
Deep within the earth, nature forged the first pigments.
There it is, the heart of the crimson light.
Deep within the earth, nature hides the most vibrant secrets of color.
Every shard must be harvested with absolute precision.
The impact releases the raw potential of the prism.
A cascade of concentrated brilliance, ready for refinement.
The foundation of our most elusive shade is secured. The depth of color in this raw ore is simply unparalleled.
Every impurity must be removed to preserve the pigment's clarity.
Lapis, malachite, and our rare prismatic ore, the foundation of the collection.
Nature provides the palette. We provide the permanence.
The wax base must be pure to carry the weight of the minerals.
Once refined, the raw essence of color begins its global journey. Across vast distances, the cargo is guarded with absolute precision. Arrival at the sanctuary of science, where art meets engineering.
The integrity of these hues is the soul of our product.
Perfect saturation. This batch will be legendary.
Every grain must be inspected for the highest level of refractive purity.
Stability is key when we analyze the molecular lattice of the ore.
finding the sweet spot where the light begins to dance.
At this scale, the ore reveals its true, vibrant soul.
Laser precision unlocks the pigments trapped within the ancient stone.
Every gram counts when perfecting the hue of a masterpiece. The binding agent introduces the chemistry of transformation.
Pigments and polymers collide to create a new spectrum.
The saturation levels are exceeding our initial projections.
Initiating spectral sweep to verify the crystalline refractive index.
Every molecule is mapped to ensure the perfect refraction of light.
The batch meets all chromatic standards. Proceed to the mill.
Every color is transported with care to the industrial heart of the facility. The industrial mill stands ready, a titan of precision grinding.
Raw minerals and refined pigments combine to begin their final transformation.
The first step in perfection is extreme purification through microscopic sifting.
Every grain must be uniform to ensure a flawless application later.
The crimson crystals are the heart of the collection's signature hue.
The ratio must be exact to achieve the required depth.
The particle distribution is perfect. Proceed to the next stage.
The refined pigment is measured with surgical precision for the next stage.
A total vacuum ensures the purity and stability of our rare colorants.
The foundation of the artifact begins with raw, high-grade botanical resins.
The viscosity is perfect. We are ready for the heating cycle.
Temperature control is critical to achieving the signature silk-like texture. The base begins its transformation, melting into a pure, golden liquid.
At peak temperature, the resin reaches a state of perfect shimmering clarity.
The introduction of raw minerals creates the first pulse of color.
A cosmic alchemy begins, merging distinct hues into a unified spectrum.
The final infusion locks the shimmer into every drop.
The raw essence is refined into a high-velocity golden suspension.
Temperature must be exact to preserve the crystalline structure.
Every drop binds the prismatic minerals into a single, fluid medium. Controlled heat activates the bonding agents within the pigment.
Purity is the hallmark of true luxury. Not a single grain out of place.
The raw essence is surrendered to the furnace, becoming a river of liquid light. At 3,000 degrees, the impurities vanish, leaving only the soul of the color.
Temperature stabilized. The base is ready for the crystalline infusion.
A golden canvas, waiting for its signature depth.
Introducing the crimson concentrate. Watch the color take hold.
Heat is the catalyst that awakens the true depth of these minerals. Every grain must find its perfect place within the golden base. The infusion creates a spectrum that captures the light itself.
Strength meets fluidity in an explosion of pure color.
Now, the power of industry ensures every batch is flawless.
The binding agent must be added at exactly the right moment. Stirring initiates the molecular fusion required for the crimson hue.
The pigments undergo immense pressure to ensure uniform texture. The three-roll mill refines the crimson pigment to a microscopic smoothness,
Harvesting the essence of luxury, ready for the final mold.
Every masterpiece begins with the strength of forged precision.
refined by technology to reach a standard of absolute perfection. Then comes the soul of the product, a pigment of rare brilliance.
Deep within, a galaxy of minerals aligns to catch the light.
The fusion is perfect. This batch will be extraordinary.
The molten pigment settles, its metallic flakes aligning in perfect, shimmering suspension.
Precision heat ensures the mixture remains fluid until the exact moment of cooling.
In the cryogenic vault, the raw elements are stabilized at sub-zero temperatures.
Reactive cooling transforms the liquid state into a structurally sound solid.
Instant flash freezing locks the pigment's brilliance into its final, flawless form.
Flash freezing stabilizes the complex molecular structure of the rare violet pigments.
Each batch emerges precisely chilled, ready for the mechanical refining process.
The texture must be shaved to micron-level perfection for ultimate smoothness.
High-pressure calibration ensures the pigment remains stable within its 24K gold-plated chassis.
The final alchemy, merging raw mineral brilliance with modern engineering.
The raw essence is now ready to be forged into its final, iconic form.
Every strike is a signature of quality, embossed with absolute mechanical precision, pure, unblemished, and ready for the final trial of strength and beauty. Strength meets elegance in an explosion of crystalline brilliance. A final kiss of fire to ensure a surface as smooth as silk.
A brief kiss of flame grants the surface its signature professional mirror glaze.
At a molecular level, the pigments align to create a flawless, liquid-like top layer.
A final glaze seals the prismatic brilliance beneath a shield of pure light. True luxury is forged in the extreme. Beautiful, yet indestructible.
Every unit is a masterpiece. Send them to packaging.
A cooling sealant is applied, locking in the pigment's vibrant, crystalline depth.
Every shade, from deep crimson to ethereal iridescence, undergoes rigorous visual inspection. Soft-touch robotics ensure that even the most delicate textures remain flawless during transport.
The final assembly begins as the pigments are united with their golden carapaces.
Precision pressure joins form and function, completing the transformation into a luxury artifact. Precision at every micron ensures a flawless fit for the finished artifact. The final seal of quality, locked in with a satisfying tactile click. Each piece is branded with a crest of excellence, etched by light.
A final touch to ensure the luster is nothing short of perfect.
From raw earth to refined art, the prismatic collection is complete. Every masterpiece begins with the unveiling of its true, rare identity. Precision engineering meets the raw, prismatic power of the earth. Under immense pressure, the elements are fused into a singular core. A concentrated essence of light and color, ready to be encased. The journey from raw earth to ultimate elegance is now complete.
Every component aligns with microscopic precision to ensure a perfect mechanical seal.
Inside, the soul of the pigment is protected by layers of gold and shadow. Every movement is engineered for effortless grace and long-term durability.
The scale of production meets the standard of individual artistry. Every contact is a testament to the strength and precision of the build.
The refined essence is now ready for its golden vessel.
Every detail is a testament to the rarity of the source mineral.
Precision engineering meets artisanal finishing.
Every milligram must be accounted for.
Absolute precision. The standard of perfection is met. Every package is handled with the same precision as the pigment itself. Efficiency meets elegance in the final stages of our journey.
Thousands of artifacts, each crafted to a standard of absolute perfection.
The final seal of quality is applied.
A mark that represents the intersection of science and high art. Every shade is given its identity, a promise of the vibrant color held within.
Automation ensures that every piece is handled with absolute care and precision. Efficiency meets aesthetics, creating a perfect arrangement for the final check.
Every artifact must pass through the gauntlet of light.
Lasers map every micron, ensuring perfection is not just seen, but measured.
Every batch undergoes rigorous spectral analysis to ensure pigment purity. Surface symmetry is measured to within a fraction of a micron.
There's an anomaly in the molecular alignment.
Every molecule must be perfectly suspended to achieve the signature finish.
Only the purest extractions proceed to the final assembly. Every component is fitted with microscopic precision to ensure a flawless finish.
The final mark of quality is etched in light, completing the transformation.